where your gut is going to tell you to go, and don't listen to it. Your gut is going to tell you, Jake, you're going to go, do you have any questions on the design service agreement? Okay. That's what our guts, I just want to see what you thought about the design service. Let's not go there. If he has questions, if he has thoughts, he'll go there. So what I want you to do in text is wanted to make sure you had the design service agreement and the link for the initial payment so we can get started on the project in Powder Mountain. You could even say, if you want to, I wouldn't go too much in the text because a little is a lot with text. It tends to get pretty wordy pretty quick. Yep. Everything's a green light with the concrete fabricator. So let's say his name's Matt, because I want a house in Powder Mountain. That sounds actually pretty good. Matt, everything's a green light with the concrete the concrete manufacturer. I wanted to make sure you had the link to the services agreement and the link to the initial payment so we can get started on the project. I'm going to re-email them to you right now. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Send it over. And then 2 weeks goes by and he hasn't responded. Send the exact same message. Okay? It sounds weird, but just stay in that mode of requesting permission to land on 18. Until air traffic control tells you you're not landing on air 18, let's not go, do you have any thoughts about me landing on 18? Because he's going to have thoughts, right? Let's make it, especially, and this is something I've noticed because I study people. The people that don't take calls and run everything through text, if you make it stupid easy for them, they will shock you and they'll do the thing, right? Like, he already has proven to you he doesn't want to talk. So the last thing we want to do is go, hey, I want to have a meeting to summarize. Sent you over the agreement. Everything's locked. We're ready to go. Everybody's ready to launch on this. I wanted to make you know he has it, but just we're slightly passive aggressive without crossing into passive aggressive. Wanted to make sure you had the link to the services agreement and the link to payment. I'm going to re-email it to you now put his email in the text. I'm on my mobile. And just wait and see what he says. You could send that right now. I bet you he'll get back to you today.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.